Hello again, guys, boys, girls, ates, kuyas, titos and titas, pañueros, pañueras. This is Sir Kicks again. Hello. So, we are still hashtag moving kicks moving forward. So we're still gonna be uploading new content today, and it's part of our goal 500. Okay, we will continue uploading, and today I will be conducting something um, relatively ginagawa ko every year. Okay, one of the things that, of course, any responsible uh, car owner or automobile owner, whether private user or public utility vehicle driver, basta may-ari ka ng sasakyan, you do this every year, which is to register your vehicle. And part of the registration of your vehicle is to conduct a yearly maintenance and emission test, which is required a prime requirement para sa registration ng sasakyan mo for the year. So, of course, every year nagre-release na talaga ng sasakyan. Every year nire-renew yan. So, every year kailangan magpa-emission test kasi kailangan yun. So, kailangan yun as a requirement to be registered. Apart from having re-enroll yung sasakyan nyo through insurance. So, those are some of the requirements para magpa-rehistro sa sasakyan. Okay? Old or new, you have to do it every year. You have to always register your vehicle. Kundi, this is also a chance for owners to find out if yung sasakyan nila is still allowable to travel sa kalsada. And syempre, to be safe on the road, dapat safe din yung sasakyan na ginagamit mo for the safety not only of the user but of course of other commuters out there. Okay? So that is the prudent thing. So today we are going to the emission center to have Becky get an emission test and then registration after. Okay. So sit back, relax, and I will show you kung paano siya ginagawa.
Nandito na tayo. Papa-emission test na tayo. One of the real challenges most of the time. By the way, today is a Monday. So, one of the real challenges talaga pagka nagpapa-emission test, nagpapa-registro is always pila. So, actually kahit anong araw ka na magpupunta, kesyo Monday pa yan or Thursday na akala mo konti lang ang tao, it's lagi yan, maraming tao. So talagang whether you like it or not, tatimingan mo, pagpunta mo, agahan mo na lang talaga. Hopefully, alam mo yun, sambahan, wala kang masyadong makasabay, pero madalas meron ka talagang makakasagad, hindi ka talaga makakaluwag. So, the best that you can do is just try to accomplish it when you can. Pag may pila, talagang taga. And most of the time, you really have to allot at least 1 whole day to register your car. The rest of the procedures naman, mabilis naman. So, the rest, matagal. Pero, pag nataga ka talaga, punta mo na lang talaga. Right.
So buti na lang din nakapila tayo, nakapwesto tayo sa lilim, so okay lang. Ay, okay na rin. Ano yan? Okay, so yeah, so nandito na tayo ngayon. Ano na tayo sa one of the emission testing centers. So unfortunately, syempre, it's normal, may pila talaga. So pila tayo, okay lang naman. Minsan nga lang may challenges, like minsan daw naka-offline sila, so it takes time. So we're here sa, medyo nakakatawa yung name because the name is Good Luck Emission Testing Center. So so we were referred here by one of our good friends. So dito tayo magpapa-emission. So ngayon nakapila lang. It takes a while, so it's okay. Talaga normal lang na maghintay. Matagal-tagal lang din na ano. Matagal kayo nakapila kanina, kuya? Saglit lang. So, sabi ni kuya, siya, saglit. Tapos na kayo, no? Doon na lang, ang mahabang pila. Oo, talaga. Kaya nga eh. Okay, doon kanina doon, offline yung isa, kaya nga talagang ubos din ako. Magparehistro talaga, buong araw ka doon.
Kasi bungad eh.
Oo, kaya...
Parang nilang kita na nila.
Ingat, sir. Same challenges as everyone. So, pati, di ba, pati mga, ano talaga, even motorcyclists talagang, they are challenged kasi, yun talaga eh, pipila ka talaga. Tama si kuya, kasi mahaba to, sulit-sulit na emission test. Emission testing center. So, yung mga nasa bungad, yan, sila. Doon sila ngayon napuno. So, pag medyo dito ka sa loob, yan. Hintay talaga tayo. So, yun. So, now I'm just waiting for my turn para makapag-emission. We'll see what's next. See what's next. Okay. So, we're medyo mabilis lang. Actually, I've only been here for like a few minutes. Tapos next in line na ako agad sa emission. Although emission test normally takes siguro matagal na yung 15 to 20 minutes. Actually matagal na yung siguro more than 30 minutes. Okay lang. Pero at least next in line na ako. Depende na lang kung meron silang naka-reserve na pila, pero at least yung alam ko na kasunod na ako, it's okay for me. Tamang hintay na. Tapos after nun, the emission test. After nun, rehistro na lang. Pag madaming tao sa registration, bukas ako magpaparehistro. Total, the car is not needed naman na nagparehistro. Madali ako mag-park sa malayo, sa ibang lugar, like sa pinakamalapit na mall, or tapos sabay ano ko na lang, what do you call this, ipoprocess ko na. Tapos na, bilis na ako. tapos na tayo mag-emission test. So, that's awesome. Thank you very much sa ating napakabait na kaibigan na nirefer tayo dito sa Gold Star, ay Green Star. Kalimutan ko na agad. Bilis ko makalimot. Oh my God. Anyway, so thank you very much to our friendly neighborhood friend for referring us to this awesome location. Napaka-bilis, napakasaya. So, and napaka-accommodating, napaka-helpful ng mga tao dito. Maliit lang, it's a small space pero napaka-efficient. I would suggest sa aking mga kaibigan dito sa South, kung magpapa-emission test kayo, punta kayo dito sa ano nila, sa station nila. At matutulungan talaga nila kayo. So now, being that meron na tayong emission test, I'll be able to submit it na sa LTO. So I will do that tomorrow kasi medyo madami-daming tao ngayon. Tomorrow I will have it processed para maparehistro ko na. At the same time, at least hindi na ako masyado nagmamadali kasi hindi ka problemahin ng parking. You can park somewhere close na very much available yung parking, and lalakarin ko na lang going to WO. So, mas madali at mas masaan ka. Okay? And it's very helpful na rin because yun nga, much not only less hassle but less concerns kasi nga madalas kailangan mo pumunta na maaga kasi pila and everything. So, pag ako, wala akong problema sa mga pila na personal, yung tao ka lang napipila. Problema ko kasi dyan minsan sa sasakyan. Kami kasabayan ka na